welcome. You're watching donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai, bring to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. NADC urges PHE Minister to investigate incomplete JJM projects. DLSA Nongstoin campaigns for education and legal aid in East and West Khasi Hills. HYC urges government action following CUET exam chaos. And AHAM urges swift action to address educational challenges at Ronjalangre Government LP School. And now the news in detail. The Nokrek Area Development Committee has appealed to PHE Minister Marcus N. Marak to personally conduct a spot inquiry into the delayed completion of Jal Jivan Mission JJM projects in villages falling under their jurisdiction. Concerns have been raised regarding the incomplete JJM projects, particularly in Durabanda and Awagre villages of South Garo Hills. According to RTI findings, several villages including Durabanda, Anchigre, Ronchangre and Rodigre are facing significant delays in receiving functional tap water connections despite allocated funds. In Durabanda alone, out of 179 eligible households, only 50 have received water connections. Similarly, in Awagre, where 80 households are eligible, only 20 have been connected, with the contractor halting work. The committee questions the adequacy of project estimates, especially concerning water tank distribution across villages with considerable distances and populations.
Dalo PHE Minister Marcus N. Marakni no scam JJM in Garuhis Gabananga Kandiki Agan Sakatnas Kinga Agan Nokrek Area Development ni President ang nagaganap na kusyong bea. Karo isto JJM ni scheme lang ko scam ka andung dyan ni dia ka naman jawa. May na tsingaya Nokrek Area Development ni kita. Yan Nokrek Cholo nung pa sung sini sung chat ni tsinga Development Committee ko sungaha. Unigisa po niya JJM ni kamka nilang ko tsinga niyaha. Unigisa po ang skang bayang ni songo Durabanda songo. JJM ni kamrang retrofitting ko scheme ko tariahan niya gana hindi ba retrofitting mo ba retrofitting mang ko ba ya Durabanda songo kanar sa susnis ko man anang gapaw ni ko sot mo nga mang ko bisong tari dunang ha wan rahendro m sangma kontraktor ya sot mo nga kanana tari dunang gensimong umong ba uko bisong complete niya gana noksa namang ba mang complete kadja kuen ko san dunang ga kaya may na noksana 5 jorsa jorgani ba jogatam patgaba ndakirang san bisong coin ko uni do nangaya noksa mang ba complete ong adungja aru noksa mang na ba C5 ko sokki sale platform tari e belgop tikki si jokati do nang adungja uni gamen ya ko mamung sarba complete niya kana manjowa aru chasa kogrus kude ya Durabanda kamaro kosak samuungri aro agatokriyo noksa mangba mansrang kuja chasa kogrusku household mansrang kuja uniman singa iako singna sugema yakamna ko kayo sinagata singa amaha biaha SU inquiry khatnari baha ndiba SU ba ko singa khatna man jawahan yagana inquiry khatna ganu khajaha mane inquiry khachi ko sok khatna man jawan yagana Unigaman singaganjok hindi di may kodaken unon biagan na ha singaгаtal scheme ko na simang.
The District Legal Services Authority DLSA in Nongstoin West Khasi Hills District organized a meeting under the National Legal Services Authority on May 16th advocating for children's return to school and addressing school dropouts. DD Lingdo highlighted free legal aid services, while E.G. Kharbani discussed strategies to protect girls and women from perpetrators. The collaborative effort saw men, women and village organizers coming together to promote education and legal awareness, emphasizing the importance of safeguarding vulnerable groups in East and West Khasi Hills.
Opening doors for education children complete for school dropout. Tentang kebala Aisha Menteri Sekolah Presiden dari District School Education jangka West Khasi District Western mana tentang pada West dan Eastern West Khasi District. Dengan tham kebal membuat kerana kerajaan of children to free and compulsory education Act 2009 ada benda yang melibatkan dari district dengan kerajaan kawasan. Teknologi ke education kerajaan ibu kepada harus kita kata mendidikan kerajaan kerajaan pertama jangan istana tentara ki mencuri lah menjadikan lah Houston pada ibu yang kena terkait dengan achievement antarabangsa achievement apa sebenarnya kemukaran
Bagaimana kita perlu bagaimana penting kelas lebih Shillong, mau kita tahu nak kerja, ngincu untuk belum perlu berjaya, kebaca, apa yang kuasa, apa turun, tentang pagi ni show kunci yang sesuai, kata kadai kata domestic violence, kelas penting bawa lebih pun yang di pun Lani yang hidup ki bagi handphone atau atau tidak bersuka berkata kaham kok domestic violence. Jadi, lada jauh bagi komplain, ibang ni receive apa police department, ibadai siapang sekali kaji, lebih cincang lebih apa yang kuasa. Lada di cincang ibadai kaji siapang bol. Punya kejingsyak syok syaklah keba laman sauju lagi kita tidak pun apa kemet department kejong itu yang syak lebih dari syok bagi kalau masuk ini kalau kita register kita copy sebab gitu yang pun
The Education Cell leaders of the Nyautrap Youth Council HYC met with Education Minister Rakam A. Samla regarding the chaotic incident on May 15th. While Assistant Education Secretary Banpin Biang Riang did not disclose details, Samla vowed to address the matter seriously. The incident underscored the irresponsible conduct of the National Testing Agency and NEHU in exam organization. HYC urges the Meghalaya government to hold those responsible for the chaos accountable. As students' futures hang in the balance, swift action is crucial to restore trust in the examination process.
NEHU halor ka jingtho exam khna ka CUT ho tepni minin ka don kendram ba ka management team jong ka NEHU kala fail ban penbiang khna bat bun khna min kila sham jinjar ba ni tang Khubor ba bandrungu ni ka entrance kala ikhapnya ba nang ta don si khna ru ki lapang te nakaliang ka HYC ni yo jingtip ba kidan kita ki jingja nakaliang ka HYC mining nak dei marmar ban Peit ke baja po NEHU tengi lap shisha ba ki khna kla shem jing e shisha ha ka jing le bom sit yo jong ka management team jong ka NEHU teng la yo ban kan khndiak ru bat u registrar bri ban pek ya hapor ngi dang ya kren ule kum bom sit yo ya ni ki khot jong ka choisi bar ru om bang ta ka ban shu batai mo ka exam ka sedang lai beje teng ni ya poi ni yo nya kren bat u sau beje le ne sau shneng ni lap ba ha ka tu por udang penbiang ni jingkeli ke exam kari ban sedang live je registrar bat team ko jong udang penbiang ni jingkeli sau je dan ni sau steng de company ba ka management team nin jong kan NEHU kala feel ban penya ya ka suiti namanta ki khna te anak liang ka choisi ngimla ban susyong man kem das ngap namar ki khna lawan u chengi bat ru ni la yo ban phone ya education minister menin yang banyak kenduk mentate namar ba udan meeting ni yo shuban kenduk na shu submit ya kani ka memorandum na kalian ka choisi te kani ka memorandum ni la tho ba audai ban form ka committee ban pek ya ka bajam nin NEHU ban shim strict action ya ka management team ya ka jingle bam sinyo ko jongki halor ka exam ka bamenin nang taru ngila tho hakani ka city ba ka government ka state government ka dei ban appoint no the nodal officer ba kin khamsuk ki khna nodal officer uban ya dei bat ka NTA ba ki khna kin khamsuk namar ba hangi hi khinlap umdan NTA center ki khna ki shem jinge ba bun ki khna ki la phone nei ki la phone changa ki khmi ki pa ki la phone chingi ki nong yalam jong ka seng ki la batai ba hak menen ki bun ki khna ki bam ya tho ki exam te mentang la submit in sti bat ni la ong ba ka state government ka di ban shim khia halor ki khna menen ki badu ban tho exam bat ong tang kata ka jingnong thumur jong ka NTA kala penbita rengi ke choisi ba hadu ba den ki khna kila mo opted ya ki subject ki bapher mo na example no.
The Achek Holistic Awakening Movement AHAM Bajengdoba Regional Unit conducted an official visit to Ronjeng Legre Government LP School in North Garo Hills to address pressing concerns. With only one teacher and classroom accommodating nursery to class 5 students, overcrowding hampers effective learning. Despite resource allocations, an old classroom remains in disrepair since 2023, posing safety risks with cracked walls and leaking roofs. AHAM calls on the concerned department and state government to swiftly address these issues, emphasizing the importance of providing a conducive learning environment. The organization remains dedicated to advocating for improved educational facilities, stressing the need for prioritizing student and educator needs.
Sekarang ke sahabat domcari kamu tahu di sama pun bukan boleh banyak alhamdulillah lok kait doni mbak bukan sekolah sekolah orang cakap ya siram dia siram itu cakap makanya kita terus kita apa punya
kan LP sekolah janing obosan ujok
바다그니 그걸 타면 이제 리파이링나 속쪽 좀 뭐. 근데 이 손으로 넣고 하다가 바다그니 그걸 그렇게 하면. 그래요. 나오는 분도 좀 정말 갖고 지가. 아니 마음 그냥 좀 해봐. 정말. 그래서
이거 리페이. 아주 비싼 하나 갖다 써놓은 거 같아. 나도 스튜던트 넘버에 토탈에 boys and girls day 64 dong 64 why
64 ko saksan naning kamu
oh why when the bar be wale one ki sarang ekhen was nam
aba no 64 orang mau ada saksa teacher sino mungkin ini gua
boys saksa teacher sang unya tahun depan
aro class nursery na class 5 na mo namin ni kan tu wan ni government set ni kata kasi tak cakap yang nama semua. Nama tak? Yang kai lam nama semua.
Nama semua itu. Kalau ke dia nuna teacher saya pun tak tahu. Ada apa tu deh?
Tak tahu.
Di mana sih mangga? On sih ba? Akan kita mana bu? Kisi ba? Ndak ba sekolah nani ba? Menurut teknik pos tu ah. Yang mana kau? Lu nampak ke rumah?
Yang ni cakap memang tak kau barang itu semua orang itu macam
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.